Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Unusual for me to upload 2 vids in one day. It's not something I normally do, but I wanted to answer a real quick question, and it was asked, would I ship, if you've commented on my video, would you ship out of country? And the answer to that is yes. So if you're thinking, well, I'm not going to comment because he's not going to ship it to Canada, he's not going to ship it to Ukraine, he's not going to ship it to wherever you live, and that's simply not the case because it's a giveaway, and those pesky ads that we see on the videos, they're I just got paid from Google, so it's not coming out of pocket, which is why I did 3 grills today, or 3 picks. So because all I'm going to do, if I'm trying to send a personalized box and the shipping, and it's like a $30 item, but the shipping is like $90, maybe I'll order on Amazon or something equivalent to it. And because all they're going to do is I'm going to order it, hopefully they're going to convert the money over to the funds over to the appropriate amount, and then from there, what am I trying to say? Okay. So when you order on Amazon, I don't know if you guys know this or not, but when you order, they're going to ship it from the closest distribution center, if it's in stock at that center. Some items, like from third-party sellers, might be coming across the sea or from China or something like that, and they're just using Amazon as a platform to sell their goods, which they can do that because they can run a store, sell their goods. That's why sometimes, even being a Prime member, sometimes it takes 2-3 weeks to get an item because it's coming across the sea on a boat or flown over, or however the hell they're going to send it to you. So if I'm trying to send you an item and the post office wants a ridiculous amount of money, then we can talk through email and we can try to figure something out. Because it's like if I have to, if you send me a link through email for this site.uk or whatever, and I can go there and purchase it, well, as long as they get the money, they should go from that place to you. It might be a lot cheaper. So we can always talk. There's always email. My email is in the About section. I might move it up to the description so you don't have to click and submit and fill out the stupid pictures or whatever the hell they got on there now. We can always talk. I'm always free to, I don't live on my phone, but, I answer your emails as quick as I can. We can work something out. If I have to just wire you the funds, maybe that might be something we do. Yeah, there's always options. There's Amazon. There's options for, ordering directly off the site closest to you. Might be another option. So, don't think that, oh, well, he won't ship to me because I live in Canada. It's like, well, that's not true. This last giveaway, yesterday's giveaway when I drew it, I had Shovelhead 8's name in there, and he lives in Canada. No problem, I would have sent him one. So if he just said I don't want it, maybe I would have paid it forward to somebody else. So, we can always talk. We can always work something out. There's never say never. So just for a quick video, stay tuned. Tomorrow is Friday. I'm literally shooting a video and uploading it on the same day. Also a rarity because I usually schedule everything in advance. But tomorrow's Fired Up Friday. And I got 2 videos coming up working on my shelter system, which you guys might enjoy, hopefully. Because I'm actually about to do some mods and work on it, start tinkering with my system. So I'm going to do that right now. Probably be up next weekend. We'll see. Depend on scheduling. So as always, have a great day. Have a great weekend. Hope you'll win the lottery and become rich. And yeah, take it easy.